Good morning, students. Today is 1st July. We have started with new month, and today is 1st July. With full energy, we are going to study further portion. Okay, whatever portion is over in June, what you can do over it, you can think over it, you can study over it. Okay, and today we are going to start with new topic of English grammar. And now, how many lessons are over of English grammar before? We have completed 5 lessons. How many lessons we have completed of English grammar? 5. The alphabet. Correct? We have completed which lesson? The alphabet. Right? Second lesson which we studied was the alphabetical order. What was second lesson which we studied? The alphabetical order. Third lesson which we studied was the vowels and consonants. What was third lesson which we studied? The vowels and consonants. Fourth lesson which we studied was of words. What was fourth lesson which we studied? Words. Fifth lesson was at the circus. What did you see at the circus? And that you have to find out, and any 6 sentences, not any 6 sentences, there were 6 sentences, you have to choose which is there in the picture. Now today we are going to start with new lesson of English grammar. The name of our lesson is the naming words. What is name of our lesson? The naming words. Naming means what? Name. If I will ask you what is name? Name म्हणजे काय? Name म्हणजे नाव. You ask or not your friends, what is your name? Then your friend will tell, my name is Rahul. Then again that Rahul will ask you, can you tell me your name please? Then you will tell that my name is Shreyash. In this way, you ask each other name. You ask each other what? You ask each other their names. And then these names are helping you to know a particular person, to know a particular place, to know a particular thing. Correct? If I will say, you go and bring that thing. जा आणि ती वस्तू घेऊन ये. Then you will ask me, ma'am, कोणती वस्तू? Which thing? Then if I instead of saying that, go and bring that thing, if I will say, go and bring that pen, if I will say there is a pen on the table, I will say, Shresh, go and bring the pen. Then immediately what you will understand, तुम्हाला काय समजणार? पेन हे एका वस्तूचं नाव आहे. कशाचं नाव आहे? वस्तूचं नाव आहे. ओके. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, इफ देर आर 40 स्टुडंट्स, एका क्लासमध्ये 40 स्टुडंट्स बसलेले आहेत. ओके. हाऊ मेनी स्टुडंट्स आर देअर इन द क्लास? 40 स्टुडंट्स आर देअर इन द क्लास. And now that 40 students, if they will not have name, 40 मुलांना 40 स्टुडंट्सला जर नाव नसलं, then how I will call? Correct or not? How teacher will call you? Hey, stand up. That boy, this girl. I cannot say like this girl, that boy. If the names of students are not there, it will become very difficult to speak with each other. Correct? If you want to talk with me, what you will say? English ma'am, English ma'am. No, but if you know my name, then immediately what you will say? Manju ma'am. We want to talk with whom? Manju ma'am. Why you said Manju ma'am? Because I have some name. माझं काहीतरी नाव आहे. प्रत्येकाचं काहीतरी नाव आहे. राईट? इट कॅन बी ॲनिमल. प्राण्याचं नाव असू शकतं, पक्ष्यांचं नाव असू शकतं, माणसाचं नाव असू शकतं. प्रत्येक गोष्टीचं नाव म्हणजे काय? नेमिंग वर्ड्स. Are you understanding? Name of a place, name of animal, name of bird, name of things. Now pen is what? Thing. Correct? It is having name, pen. This is what? I cannot say, go and bring that rubbing something. What I will say? Go and bring duster. I will say, oh what? Go and bring something to rub the board. Then you will say, something means what ma'am? Something म्हणजे काय आणू मी पुसायला blackboard? Then when I will say you duster. Duster is what? Duster is name of the thing. If I will show you something is there, go and bring something to drink water. What you will say, ma'am? Something means what? What I will bring something. But instead of that, if I will say, go and bring bottle. Bottle is what? Bottle is name of one thing. Understood? In this way, what we have done in English grammar, we have kept names of everything. Names of places, names of people, names of things, names of animals, names of birds, Suppose you have cows at home, buffaloes are there, cows are there, goats are there, sheep are there, dog is there. Then what you will say? We have many animals at home. Then when you will say there are many animals at home, then what I will say? Okay, you have many animals. Which are those? Then you will say there are 10 animals. But I don't know which animals are those. So what we have done? आपण काय केलेलं आहे त्याच्यासाठी ॲनिमल्सची नावं ठेवलेली. देन व्हॉट यू विल से? मॅम वी हॅव 2 cows, वी हॅव 3 buffaloes, correct? We have 5 goats and we have 1 dog and 1 cat. Dog, cat, goat, buffalo, cows, these are what? These are names of animals. काय आहेत? नाव आहेत. कशाचे नाव आहेत? ॲनिमल्सचे नाव आहेत. Okay, so here in this lesson, your name of a lesson is only naming words. Naming words. Name words, correct or not? Name means what? Name of person, name of place, name of thing, name of animal, name of bird. Such words are called naming words. What they are called? They are called naming words. And in this lesson we are going to study names of people, names of places, correct? Names of animals, names of things, and names of birds. Understood? Now today first we are going to study is names of people. कुणाची नावं? माणसांची नावे. Okay, so first point which is given over here is when we talk what? When we talk about the things around us, what is there? आपल्या परिसरामध्ये ज्या गोष्टी असतात आपण त्याच्याबद्दल बोलतो, करेक्ट? The things which are there around us, we speak about them. What we do? We speak about them. Like what? Like we speak about our parents. Correct? Father and mother, we speak or not? When you come in school, what you say? Ma'am, my mother has given me today idli sambar in the tiffin. Or then you can say, you say that, ma'am, do you know what my mother has made cake? She has given me in tiffin. Mother. You are talking about whom? You are talking about your parents. So here it is told that when we talk about the things around us, like our parents, friends, home, school, pets, etc., we use words that stand for each of them. Correct or not? There are words which stands for parents. What are words for parents? You say mother, father. Correct? For friends, you take names of your friends. Correct or not? For example, you took name of a friend like Sahili, or then Utkarsh. Utkarsh is my friend. Boys will say what? Utkarsh is my friend. Or then you will give example. If I will give you some more examples of friends, if you will say Vedant is my friend, correct or not? You will say Vivek is my friend. Vivek, Vedant, Utkarsh, they are what? They are names of people. Home. Now every house is having some particular name. Sai Sauli, correct? Sai Chaya, Sai Ram. Names are there for homes also, correct? Houses. School. Our school is having name, correct or not? There are many schools in our area. For example, Shri Ganesh International School, correct? Sadhvi Priti Sudhaji English Medium School in Rata. Then St. John's School in Rata. Then Sharda Vidya Mandir. These are what? These are names of school. There is very famous school in Panchgani. Name of that school is St. Xavier's High School. There is again one convent school in Saviveer. What is that name of? Mount Fort School. Every school also have name. And if there was no name, then what you will say? There is school in our area. आमच्या एरियामध्ये शाळा आहे. शाळेचं नाव काय माहीत नाही. त्याच्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करावं लागतं? प्रत्येक गोष्टीला, प्रत्येक वस्तूला आपण नाव ठेवलं पाहिजे. आणि नाव म्हणजे काय? नेमिंग वर्ड्स. ओके, वी टॉक जस्ट नाउ वी स्पोक अबाउट स्कूल. देन पेट्स, करेक्ट or not? Dog, cat, If we will not say dog, cat, we will understand about which animal we are talking. No, for that animals are also classified: tiger, lion, goat, cows, buffaloes, horse. Come on, tell more animals. Then cheetah, giraffe. Now birds. In birds, what will come? Peacock. Then peahen. More what will come? Ostrich, hens. Correct. So about pet now. Only pets. If we will talk about pets, then dog, cat, and we have some what birds also. Which are those? Not they are not pets. Dog and cat is only a pet. Okay, etc. We use words that stands for each of them. We use some words. See here in book, some words are mentioned for this people. Just a minute. See, look. Here are some words that stand for people: man, girl, doctor, teacher. Now, which words stand for people? Man, doctor, teacher, girl, boy, carpenter, plumber, mason. Come on, tell more. Cobbler. There are many names which stands for people. Correct or not? Which stands for people. So I think you have understood the words which stands for people. Those words are called what? Those words are called naming words. Remaining part of the lesson I will take in tomorrow's period. But keep in mind, the naming words means what? Name of anything, name of person, name of people, person, people, places, things, animals, birds are called naming words. Okay, remaining part more in detail I will explain you in tomorrow's period. Okay, thank you.